UPI payments happen in few seconds. Have you ever wondered what happens in those few seconds? That is what you will explore in BTech in Computer Engineering at SFIT. You will learn about developing modern software secure solutions using various platforms like programming, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data and warehousing mining, and full stack development. At our Center of Excellence with Mokalbits Private Limited and Cyber Sanskar, you will learn and gain more practical exposure on the real life working projects before you even graduate. Take part in various competitions like Smart India Hackathon, intercollegiate project competitions like Prakalp, and be part of local as well as national chapters like Codex, IEEE and CSI to gain more knowledge. This program will take you towards various job positions in industry like software engineers, cloud architects, cybersecurity analysts, AI engineers, entrepreneurs, and researchers. It will also take you towards higher education because once you understand how the system works, you will start using technology and build it.
The future is becoming electric faster than most people realize. BTech in Electrical Engineering at SFIT puts you at the center of this transformation from static power distribution to software-defined electrification. You will learn how the electrical power system, electrical machines, control system, power electronics and automation work together to keep the industries and cities running. Through practical labs, technical projects, electrical symposium, and with hands-on learning, you will learn to use technologies that are used in industries today. You will be able to explore the emerging areas of electric vehicle, AI and IoT in electrical engineering, and sustainable power technologies shaping the future. That experience can lead you towards a role as power system engineer, automation engineer, researcher, or careers in PSUs. As technology evolves, the demand for smarter energy systems will only grow. The real question is, do you want to build them?
If you have ever wondered how the maps quickly find the fastest route, then you are already thinking like an IT engineer. At SFIT, in our BTech Information Technology course, we have built the syllabus especially for curious students who are interested in building the systems on which people rely on. That's why you will learn everything from full stack development to AI tools, from cybersecurity to cloud computing and data analytics. In our labs, you will work with exactly the same technologies which you will use in your jobs like React, Node.js, AWS and SQL. At our Siri Labs Data Science Center of Excellence, you will work on real projects collaborating with the professionals even before your graduation. Because learning IT here is not just about understanding concepts but building with them through our colloquium, hackathons, IT department students associations, and many other activities. And that kind of real-world experience opens doors for you to become software developer, cybersecurity analyst, data engineer, AI specialist, entrepreneur, or even pursue higher studies and research. Now the only question is, which problem will you solve first?
Are you looking for a career that connects innovation, technology, and limitless opportunities? Then BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at St. Francis Institute of Technology is the perfect choice for you. Today, the world is driven by communication and smart technology. Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering plays a significant role in shaping the modern world. You will work with communication technology, embedded systems, artificial intelligence, robotics and automation, networking, VLSI design, and electronic circuit design through hands-on laboratories. To apply the concepts learned in classrooms and laboratories, you will get the opportunities to participate in technical projects, competitions, and student-led activities, both at institutional and national level through various student chapters. This field offers excellent career opportunities in industries such as telecommunications and networking, semiconductor and VLSI industries, software and IT companies, robotics and automation, and government sectors and public enterprises. You can also pursue higher education, entrepreneurship, and prepare for competitive examinations like GATE, UPSC, and PSU recruitment. Because the world today runs on communication and you have a chance to engineer it.
Be honest. One AI tool is already open in one of your tabs right now, isn't it? And that's exactly why BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at SFIT is so relevant today. You will train models, work with real data sets, and build intelligent systems through practical projects and hands-on learning. From machine learning and neural networks to computer vision, NLP, data science, you'll explore the technologies powering everything from recommendation systems to AI-generated content. You'll also take part in hackathons, AI projects, and collaborative learning, problem-solving experiences that push you apply what you learn in real-world scenarios. That experience can lead you toward roles like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, computer vision engineer, researcher, and even entrepreneur. AI is changing every industry around us, and you can become part of building what comes next.
Driving a go-kart is exciting. Designing and building one is where real engineering begins. That's the mindset behind BTech in Mechanical Engineering at SFIT. You will explore domains like robotics, automation, CAD, advanced manufacturing, 3D printing, and Industry 4.0 technologies that are transforming modern engineering. This program blends strong engineering fundamentals with hands-on learning through practical laboratories, technical committees, MESA, Tejas, Gati, innovative projects, and competitions like Make Kaushalya. Along the journey, you start seeing engineering everywhere, in elevators, vehicles, engines, and machines all around you. The program prepares you for diverse career opportunities in design, robotics, automotive engineering, manufacturing, research, and entrepreneurship. The future needs engineers who can design, manufacture, automate, and solve real-world engineering problems.
We live in a world where technology is no longer just hardware or software. The devices that we work with are because of electronics and computing work together. This is what BTech in Electronics and Computer Science is all about. It is a unique blend of core electronics, intelligent systems, sensor networks, Internet of Things, and data analytics to create smart, connected solutions. You just don't learn how systems are built. You understand how devices think, process data, communicate, and interact with the real world. Electronics and Computer Science Engineering gives you the flexibility to choose your own domain. The bottom line is that the future beholds technologies that involves integration of electronics and computing.